Hello again. This evening we're doing steamed rice in the Thermomix, which will be done in 20 minutes. I'm using jasmine rice because that's what I favour, but you can use basmati. You can also make perfect sushi rice, wild rice, brown rice. It's just a matter of timing. Hi, it's day 8 with my Thermomix, and I'm just going to show you how easy steamed rice is to do. Perfect every time. So 1,000 grams, which is a litre of water, goes into the jug. Just over, but that's fine. Next, a teaspoon of salt. You don't have to add that, and then it says olive oil or butter. Any excuse for a bit of butter, but again, can be omitted if you're not doing fat. Next, it says insert simmering basket. Now the one that comes with the TM6 is actually in the dishwasher, so this is the old one without a lid, but it works exactly the same way. Next, you can cook from 50 grams to 350 grams of rice. So we're going to do 350 because cold rice makes the best fried rice. If you use hot rice to make fried rice, you end up with a mushy, sticky mess. Right, so there we are. I've gone a bit over, but let's not worry about that. Let's not split hairs. Okay, lid on, measuring cup into the lid, and 20 minutes. It's going to cook it at 100 degrees, and it's going to be on speed 4. I'm not going to make you wait here for 20 minutes, so cheers. I'm going to go and drink. I think Sanders cut me off in there. This is number 2. So the rice is nearly done, and I've got 8 seconds to cool down, and I'm going to show you how good it is. We're having it tonight with a selection of greens that were going a bit, you know, they're past the best, but sautéed sprouts, asparagus, and mange tout, and belly of pork. So here we are, rice. And this little chap that comes with your machine hooks into this basket, and I can deliver it just here. And that's all there is to it. Perfect, fluffy, slightly sticky Thai rice. And I always use a plastic or a spatula to serve rice. If you use metal, it sticks to it. So yeah, another thing you can get rid of your counter. Rice cooker. It does it all. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. I'm Sara Sanders with my Thermomix. À demain.